In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you pay someone with Apple Pay. In order to pay someone with Apple Pay, you'll typically use Apple Cash in the Message app. So what you have to do is, first of all, you simply want to open the Message app on your iPhone and either start a new conversation to tap an existing one with the person you want to pay. Then tap the plus icon and then select Apple Cash. As you click on it, you simply want to enter the amount you want to send. Then tap the send to review the payment and all that. After which you need to double click the side button and confirm with Face ID, Touch or your passcode. Then if you don't have enough in Apple Cash, you could also switch to a debit card by tapping change payment method and selecting your debit card. And you could add a comment to the payment that will appear in both your and the receiver's transaction history. So that is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.